So let's practice with these equations. I would like you all to work this out with me. So grab your pencil and paper and let's solve this problem. You have a non-reacting gas mixture consisting of 5 kilomole of hydrogen and 4 kilomole of nitrogen. What is the mass and mass fraction of each gas and the apparent gas constant R of the mixture? Give you about a minute to think about this. Get your pencil and paper ready. Okay, this is what we know. Number of moles of hydrogen is 5. Number of moles of nitrogen is 4. So molar mass of hydrogen from table A1. Look it up. Can someone tell me what that is? And also molar mass of nitrogen.
Hydrogen is 2.016.
Thank you.
And nitrogen is 28.013.
Thank you. All right. So mass of hydrogen. Number of moles, N times molar mass, 2.016, 10.08 kilograms, and mass of nitrogen, 4 kilomoles times molar mass, 112.05 kilogram. Kilogram. So to find the apparent gas constant for the mixture, we can use this equation. The universal gas constant divided by molar mass of the mixture. So we have to find the molar mass of the mixture first, which can be calculated by multiplying mole fraction of hydrogen by molar mass of hydrogen plus mole fraction of nitrogen times molar mass of nitrogen. Mole fraction of hydrogen, 5/9 times 2.016 plus mole fraction of nitrogen, 4/9 times 28.13, and the molar mass of the mixture is 13.57. And finally, gas constant for the mixture. Universal gas constant is 8.314. 8.314 divided by 13.57. The answer is 0.6127 kilojoules per kilogram per Kelvin.
No, I mean M sub M. Is that molar mass of the mixture?
Oh, in this equation, RU over M sub M is uppercase M is molar mass of the mixture.
Okay, gotcha. Thanks.